February 2 na to, kung naghahanap ka ng malaking lote sa Lancaster na 40 to 50% below market value, huwag ka na mag-scroll. Bank Foreclosed Property, Barangay Navarro, General Trias, Cavite. Single attached and lot. As is where is. Lot area 217 square meter. Floor area 124 square meter. 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 to 4 car garage. Bihira to sa Lancaster. Starting bidding price 6,773,500. Bidding February 2 at 2 p.m. Payment terms 10% down payment, 50,000 reservation, 90% bank home loan. Note, bank fees and transfer of title not yet included. Sample computation. Selling price, 6,773,500. 10% DP, approximately 677,350. Loanable amount, 90%, approximately 6,096,150. If 20 years bank loan, estimate only, monthly amortization around 49 to 52,000. Required gross monthly income approximately 150,000. Final amount is still subject to bank approval and interest rate. Take note, end lot na, malaki pa ang lupa. Tapos bank foreclose pa, kaya sobrang bihira ng ganitong deal. Free house tour plus full bidding assistance. Step by step namin kayong gagabayan hanggang bidding day. Message us now bago maunahan sa bidding.